1, 2, 1, 2. How is everyone? How is everyone? The heck is happening here? Do we have la crème de la crème club? Like what's happening? Where is la crème de la crème club, papa? Here we go. Oh boy. This goes there, please. We did it. Hi, Bobby. Let's go back to work. We did it. Another day in paradise, chat. What's up, everyone? Let me check if I missed some message. Oh boy. Magic Arc, Dersacle, Gornioff, Logic Slayer, Christos K, Guy on Moose, Hopper Blue Sky, salut. Debian and not Kashi, blasphemy. I'm gonna explain my choice. Benito I am, how are you? Good morning, Mirko, what's up? Do we get a little bit of context with this video? Yes. I'm gonna explain what happened. I tested... Salut Vintage Techie. I tested Cosmic Beta 2 on Kashi, nice, but trying to run game on Steam, not so much. Game window, iWindow, borderless, full screen, all disappear. Uh-oh. Salut Zlotan, what's up? Do you have a question? Ask it. I tried it with Hyperland, but multiple monitors did not work properly, so Kashi with KDE is it. It is. Okay. Do you still have Kashi OS on your Steam Deck? Yes. I'm still using it, and I'm not planning to change anytime soon. I'm gonna do a full review, guys. A full long-term review. And I'm gonna also do a full long-term review of Omari. We'll be talking about that. It's gonna be the context of this video. Salut Joe, what's up? I wonder how it runs BG free Linux build, because I read that in Kashi OS you can pull up the FPS bar. So first, I don't own this game. Okay, Battlegate 3, I didn't. Baldur Gate 3, I didn't buy it. Maybe something I'm gonna plan to do, I don't know. Maybe next discount I might get it. But I didn't buy it, so I can't really try. But my guess, like that, at 9:40 AM, I don't think you're gonna get that much FPS compared to anything else. Where did you go, Papa? I went nowhere, brother. Where did you go? Pour pas smart, what's up? Futura, what's up? Adam T. Dami Killer, 25, Gold 25. What's up? La crème reporting in? Yes. Salut Fred, what's up? I have another friend on Linux and he's now has double the FPS. Good for him. Oh, you maxed out your T480 to 64 gigabytes. Nice, man. So the PC I have, I think it's a T14 Gen 2, something like that. It's not a T480. It's like 2 or 3 generations after the T480, if I remember correctly. All right, so let's talk, chat. Let's talk about what we're gonna plan to do today. So today, I'm gonna talk first about Omari chat. So this is my Omari installation chat. I've been using it full time for like 25 days now, almost 3 weeks. Okay, so I don't know if you remember, but I got this PC here, which is a Thinkpad T14 Gen 2A. That's exactly the name of it. And my first thing I did, I installed CachyOS on it. I was really happy about it, but I wanted to use it with Hyperland because I believe that Hyperland is a way to go for my workflow, but also like with a laptop. Like Hyperland is really shining, in my opinion, with laptop. So Omari right now is a distribution to go for Linux newcomer, Linux coder, dev that want to switch to Linux. It's really like the fancy like distro right now. So I did install it. Okay, we installed it together and I used it for 25 days. But I want to get rid of it. I want to get rid of it. So if you want to ask me questions, ask them now. I'm going to make a full video about my experience. But if you have specific questions toward this distro, let me know. But you see this error message I have at the top? Like, I can't do everything I want the way I want because it's so opinionated that it just takes me more time for me to transform it into what I want versus like starting from scratch. There is a lot of things in it that I just can't stand. I still believe it's a great distro, don't get me wrong. But it's still like, yeah, it's just not for me. It's one of those my way or the highway distro. Yeah, exactly. It's fine. I do think it fulfills like its purpose in a really, really nice way. Okay. But yeah, it's just not for me, guys. Another question: can you install CachyOS on Intel handheld? So what model are you thinking about? Intel handheld, like what? You're thinking about an Intel laptop? It is very Twitter tech person distro. If you get what I mean, lol. Like, listen. I don't think it's bad. I have nothing against the Twitter tech person distro. MSI A1. Let me think. You should be able to install like the distro itself, not the handheld version of the distro. I do believe that the handheld version of the distro is just for AMD platform. But the best way to do that is to go check on their Discord. But like installing CachyOS on the handheld, no problem. And then booting into big picture is not a problem either. So you could do that. If you want to use like the handheld version of CachyOS on an Intel handheld, I don't think it's gonna happen. You should double check with them. Tim, how are you doing? I'm back. Docs say all green. What? So, anyways, that was my. I'm gonna make a long video about Omari chat. There is a lot of positive for it. I just think it's not for me, chat. It's just not for me. So I was thinking, should I go back to CachyOS? Or should I go on something else? And I was thinking, like, what am I really doing with this laptop? Okay, chat, like what am I doing with this laptop? I'm telling you what I'm doing. I SSH. I use it mainly as a terminal, like that. I browse internet, and I do some typewriting stuff. That's all. I don't even watch video on it. So, I don't game. I don't want to do update every day, every week. I just want this thing to work and to work the way I want. Okay? So I'm thinking really about Debian and testing it. Why not GLF OS? Because I'm not fan of immutable. Immutable are not for me, dude. I want to be in control the way I want. So I'm going to go with Debian. I think you should go with Fedora KDE. With Fedora KDE, you get up-to-date package and KDE and a stable OS. I still have a lot of updates, bro, for Fedora. So why not NixOS? Because I don't like it. NixOS is not for me, dude. I need to explain you exactly how I see it. This PC, I don't want to tinker it. I don't want to play with it. I don't want to do anything. I don't want to update it. I just want to do nothing. I want to install it. Maybe once in a month, I'm going to do an update, but I don't want to think about it. I don't know if it makes sense. I just don't want to do that. I don't want to spend... So here, one thing that trigger me, watch. You see Hyperland, I'm happy with it. Okay? But they change function. So if you I don't know if you see at the top here, you see at the top, there is this red mark. So what happened is that they change the way the way you code the gesture into Hyperland, right? I don't know what they did. I don't even want to look at it. I spent too much time on it. So I configured everything the way I wanted. So yeah, you see, like I can do whatever I want. I'm fine. But the truth is, chat, on the background, Hyperland is pushing like new stuff, and you have to re-go in the config and update everything. So I'm like, I don't want to spend time doing that. You know what I mean? I don't have time for that. I want to set it up and forget about it. That's why I'm really thinking about Debian, because I know we won't have big updates in terms of like GE, in terms of anything. I just want this thing to run. Everybody should use immutable distro. Everybody except me. Hey, dude, I never said everybody should use a immutable distro. What is TinyOS up to now? I have no idea, Broski. So I was like, you know what? If it doesn't work, if Debian doesn't work on this machine, we go back on CachyOS or on Arch, because I know how it works. I know I'm gonna have to do like, you know, from time to time, update. But it's fine. You know what I mean, chat? With the latest Debian, I have Wayland. I have, you know, stuff which are like right now pretty decent, and I can live with them on this machine. Here, Max, why you haven't used CachyOS with Hyperland? I did use CachyOS with Hyperland. I just don't want to configure the whole thing. I don't have time for that. I have 2 children, I have stuff to manage on the side, and I have this channel. I just don't have time, bro. I don't have time to be like, hey, I'm gonna make this little corner a little bit rounded. And, you know what I mean? And I don't have time with this. I need this thing to be like, hey, I'm going outside because I have 15 minutes. I want to breathe, and I want to, you know, type, for example, a project of video. I want to open my ThinkPad. I want it to work. End of story. You know what I mean? Like, I want to close it. I want to be like, hey, I'm done. Voilà, 15 minutes, I'm done. Then, like, if I have CachyOS, I open it, I'm like, oh, maybe there is an update, right? An update. And then I'm like, oh, there is a new package. And I'm not doing what I need to do. You know what I mean? And here it's the same. Here I open it, and I'm like, darn, why there is a screensaver? I don't want a screensaver. And I'm like, okay, let's figure it out how to remove the screensaver. Beep, 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 beep. And then I'm like, oh, there is an update. I make an update. Boom, there is this red stuff on the top. And I'm like, oh, I need to fix this. And then for my 15 minutes time lapse, I didn't do what I was intended to do. I just lost 15 minutes of my life. I don't want to do that. I don't know if it makes sense, but I don't want to do that. I just want to go and be like, boom, and off. So this is what we're going to try today, okay? Maybe I'm going to be satisfied. Maybe I won't. Can't I update Fedora once a month? Is that a bad thing? Yeah, you can. No problem. What happened with like all those rolling edge distro on a machine like that, right? Like 99% of the time, it's fine. Okay, like I was really happy with CachyOS and KDE. Like I don't have to complain about it. And I might go back to that if Debian doesn't fit me. I think I'm gonna end on this anyways, but I want to try. I want to give Debian a try. But you have a lot of updates. You have a lot of things that are new, and it's kind of distracting. You know what I mean? So why Debian over Ubuntu or Mint? I think Ubuntu is too heavy for my ThinkPad. I don't like the vision of Ubuntu. This is personal, okay? I'm not saying Ubuntu is bad. I disgrace Snap. You see that? I don't need it. This thing, it's funny, it's nice to watch, but it divides my battery life by 2 or 3. I don't need this stuff. Anyways, so no Ubuntu and Mint. I don't have Wayland with Mint, and I don't like Cinnamon. I want KDE. So Debian is fine for me. That would be my answer. Is it recommended to install RPM Fusion codec if the Mesa version is away from the official repo? What are we talking about, what are we talking about Fedora right now? This is a Debian install stream. I don't want to go into that, bro. Just read the wiki, broski. No. We're not going into that. Salut, 8 on site. What's up? If Debian doesn't work, then I suggest go with Fedora and KDE. Yeah, maybe. That's a good idea, dude. Andrea Mazzola, what's up? I'm with you on the Snap and vision of Ubuntu. Firefox hardware acceleration was busted in Snap and apt. Yes. Like, you know, this is just my personal vision, right? It's not saying that it's bad for everyone. You know, you might have a ton of fun with it. But anyways, so guys, this was Omari, right? on my PC, 25 days. Well, I'm gonna do it this way. Yeah, like that. I'm gonna take a screen for the stream chat, and my video. Yeah. Cool. I use Omari 2.0 and I made customization for myself. After updating to Omari 3.0, it overwrote my customization and I had to reset the customization again. Yeah. So there is a way, right, to do the optimization without getting overwritten. It's written on their wiki, right? Yeah, you know that, right? Like, me, the issue is more like the backend of Hyperland, which is just having like new feature all the time, which is super exciting, but I don't want that for this machine. I don't want it. I want feature, stable, no headache, no twinkering. Salut Logvon, what's up? Okay, so let's get into it, chat. Let's get into it. We're gonna reboot this thing. I'm gonna try to go into the BIOS. And yeah. So let me do one more stuff. Okay, I'm just gonna log out of everything I installed there. Yo, 40, what's up? So can I log out from this? No, I can't. Okay, don't move, chat. Give me 1 second. Okay, so I'm logged out from this thing. Give me 1 second, chat, making sure everything is logged out. I don't know, my mouse doesn't work. Like, Hyperland is cool, but when you start to do like technical stuff, I'm like, okay. We are ready to go, dude. Running Hyperland for months, found out that other dot files are bloated and do too much, created my own for scratch. Yes, I agree with that, Vintage. Like, this is exactly where I stand, bro. Like, you need to do it yourself. And me, I don't have the mental capability, maybe? I don't know. I just don't want to do it. It's like each time I start, I found a roadblock and another roadblock, and after like 6 or 7 roadblocks, I'm like, I don't want that. I'm out. I lose too much time, and I go back on KDE. But I agree with you. Like, the only way to do it is to do your own. I'm a retired software engineer, so it kept me busy. Okay, get it. So, yeah. Okay, so I just rebooted. Try to get to the BIOS, chat. Don't seem to be able to do it. So I'm looking at the screen over there. Trying to go to the BIOS. Allez, papa! Oh! Steven, how are you? Okay. EFI, loader, non. Firmware setup, allez. We did it. Gonna be able to boot on whatever I want, I guess. So Techie Sam, I could not find anything that suited me for me, so I took some inspiration in and there for my Hyperland. Yeah, I think this is the only way, dude. Like, the only way is to go and do it for yourself, chat. That's what I believe too. So that's a setup. Okay. Okay, my mouse doesn't work now. Come on, brother. Listen, trying to set up a stream with a laptop and another screen is hell. Allez. Okay, guys, I don't know what the heck is happening. Ah!
Oh là là, la crème de la crème club. A news croissant is the best club on internet.
Come on! It can be real, chat. It can be real. Bro, listen, dude. I don't know what's going on, chat. How can I set up? This is not serious, chat. It's not my day, I think, today. Alors, Thinkpad, Gen 2, boot, disk, I don't know. So I need to press F12 when it starts, apparently. F12, chat, to have the menu for the boot. Okay, don't move, dude. We're gonna get there. Allez, papa! Yes! Holy cow! We did it, chat. Holy! Salut Kitari, I recently got rid of Windows 10 and moved to CachyOS. As a new Linux user, I love it. Biggest annoyance is so far I've tried to get Vortex Mod Manager to work properly. I'm sure you're gonna figure it out, dude. I hope that Anata, the game, will have a native Linux port. Never heard about this game, bro. Stream caught up and no more than 3.5. What? Okay, chat. We did it. So I'm gonna boot on this. Bye bye Omari, yes. And hello Debian, chat. So I have Debian net install. I think this is the one, chat. Yeah. Normal mode. Okay. Yeah, I guess. That should be fine, chat. So, first things first, I want on this PC is really important. I want hibernation. And my mouse doesn't work still. Okay. We replug it. Man, I start to wonder if the trackpad is just like overriding the mouse anyway. Like, I think this is what is happening, chat. Because my mouse is working, but it just doesn't register. So I'm guessing that the trackpad is getting override. Okay, so we're gonna do with the keyboard, no problem. What country? We are in Canada, brother. Yes. Keyboard. Do they have English International? American English, I guess. Check for gremlins. One of those days. I feel like he has been like that for me for the last like year and a half, but no comment, chat. Actually 2 years, but we'll see, boys. We'll see. So I'm doing the connection right now. Oh, this is interesting. So he found 2 Ethernet cards, but I have only one. C'est pas possible. No, I have only one, chat. Oh well. Okay. You get one free with Debian. I've seen it show up as 2 device name. Got it. Wi-Fi and Ethernet. So it shows 3, okay? But I only have 2. I have Wi-Fi and Ethernet. And it shows 2 Ethernet and 1 Debian. And one Wi-Fi. It's fine, chat. It's fine. It's fine. We're fine. At this point, we'll figure it out after, okay? So this is gonna be Thinkpad, by the way. Okay, chat? Just want to check. So domain name we don't touch. Okay, so this is for the root account, okay? We are not doing it. I'm gonna use sudo, okay? So here you let it empty, except if you want a root account, okay? So I'm gonna do that. Full name for the user is that. Okay, and now this is my password. Ooh, chat. It's gonna be my password, so to be really careful, okay? No leak, chat. So we are Eastern time, yes. Yo, Davius, what's up? Is the Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, Ethernet component separately? Yeah, it should. So I'm gonna use the entire disk. I'm just curious. So yes, the NVMe drive, okay. Here I do 1 file and 1 partition, yes, I don't really care. I'm wondering if he's gonna install grub. Okay, so he got the swap. Chat. He got the swap. It's on XT4, which is fine for me. I don't care. And 1 GB for the USB. It's a little bit big, but it's fine. Okay, continue. Fantang Lagin, what's up? So we're fine. Now you will be able to do the operation. Create a new partition. Yes. 1 gigabyte for 10 megabyte file. I know, it's fine. I don't care. Continue. Yes. Okay, it's fine, dude. Let's go. Yes. What happened, Alexei? Did I make a mistake? Salut Godzilla, what is your opinion on gaming laptop? I think it's pretty cool. Those are pretty cool, dude. Like if you need a laptop and you have the opportunity to game on it, it's cool. But it depends. It's always the same. It depends on your usage, right? If you buy a laptop to stay in your office and game on it, oh, that's why. Okay, Alexa, it's fine. He just did it twice, right? That's what happened. He did it twice. It's fine. It's fine, dude. So no proxy. I made a mistake. That's true. Don't do that at home, okay? Like there is situation where you need a laptop and you're traveling around and you are in an hotel room or somewhere else and you want to play. It does make sense, dude. You know what I mean? Like there is use case where it makes sense. I know. Okay, so now install desktop environment. So here we don't want to install anything. I don't want to install anything, chat. I'm gonna do it my way, okay? Voilà, okay. So Team has a MSI A18HX 4090 laptop, and I work away 8 weeks at a time. Yeah, exactly. This is the thing. Like, if you are moving around or you're in a position where you just can't have a full desktop, it makes sense. Now, is it better than a desktop? Obviously not, but it's mobile. Like when I arrived here in Canada, we had a really small condo, okay? I couldn't get a desktop. Like the desktop would have taken like 1/3 of the space in the whole condo, dude. I'm not even kidding. Just a desk with a keyboard and a screen would have taken like 1/3. Okay, of the whole space of like the place we are living in. Didn't make sense. Right? So what did we do? About a gaming laptop. I used it for 3 years until we moved out of this place, and I sold it. And he sold pretty well, actually. I was quite surprised. He sold pretty well. Yeah, I have a problem with my USB 3 port, whatever. Watch. Okay. We got it, brother. Alright. Okay, there is something wrong with the USB. Something is happening, okay? Seems like my my mouse is not in a great shape. Anyways. There we go. Yay! So password, yes. Okay, so let's start with the beginning chat. So main. Okay, I think I don't want to do that first. So we're gonna do sudo apt apt search kg. So what are the meta package? What are they called? So kg full, kg standard. I want the minimal. So I think the minimal, it's kg plasma desktop. I think this is the one, dude. Yeah, I think this is the one, chat. So sudo apt install kg plasma desktop. The minimal one or the minimal one? Tell me more about it. Please increase the font. Yeah, I will do that after. What is this stream for? Ant? I'm sorry about that, chat. I want to test a framework or a Tuxedo laptop with CachyOS. Yeah, I want to test a framework laptop with CachyOS. The most barebour one is Plasma Desktop. So yeah, that's this one. KDE Plasma Desktop. Okay, I'm gonna go with this one, chat. So does it install SDDM? This is a real question. Well, I guess we'll see. Oh, the other one is ready. Okay, got it. Okay. Now we're gonna go with this one. We are just going with this one, chat. I don't know. I think the installer install another version, like a version which is a little bit too big, in my opinion, for me. For my liking, chat. Man, I can't believe my mouse is dead. It's not good, huh? Shouldn't be dead. Goodbye, Zati. The famous Zati, dude. Yeah, I'm telling you, the laptop is forcing right now. It's like... It's a lot for this little laptop. But it's doing it. I believe in it, chat. You can actually read the text? Yes, on my screen I can. It's small. But it's a test for you guys to see if you can actually read the text. Check if you need some dude, if you need some what's the name? Glasses. Hey, AC2, I just noticed you become a proud member of La Crème de la Crème Club. AC2, are you still in the chat? Oh my gosh. I don't know what I was doing. I didn't see it. Man, I'm the worst streamer ever, chat. I'm fully blind in one eye and color blind, so I'm fucking trying to read this. Bro! No, it's hard to read that. I can read it, but I'm forcing. Don't be worried, dude. It's not your fault. It's my fault. We're gonna fix that, okay, chat? Just give it time. We're gonna do it, okay? So that's gonna be the start of another like long-term test of Debian on the Thinkpad. Debian KDE and see how it feels, right? We're gonna do the basics. I'm gonna put the theme, the Nord theme. Okay. We're gonna do some shortcut real quick for me to survive. Is your controller working on cache now? Yes, it is. Like, I thought it stopped working, but it never stopped, in fact. We had the systemd update, and I thought it will break everything. But no. Controller working perfectly, dude. Never had an issue. I think it's because of the way it's set up, right? Yeah, no, I don't want to do console font. That's why I decided to install that first, okay? So gpkg. So I'm gonna tell you dpkg list grep sddm. SDDM is installed, chat. Hello? Hello? Here we are, boys and girls. Oh la 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 la. Oh la 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 la. Okay, give me 1 second. I need to check one more things regarding my network. I'm so good. Oh boy, I'm so good, chat. Okay. So I just deactivated the Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi work out of the box, chat. Just want you to know. And oh, wait, let me check. Okay, so this is what I was scared about, chat. This is what I'm scared about with Debian, as it is right now. Okay. Oh yeah, I don't have mouse. Wait. Woo, papa! Yeah, it looked like my yeah, it looked like my mouse is gone. So I'm gonna have to figure that out. Well, this one works. Okay, chat. So we're gonna deal with this. Let's start with this. This is fine. This is fine too. Okay. Basic stuff, chat. So first thing I noticed is I'm gonna show you, chat. Settings. We're gonna go dark, please. No acceleration. Yeah, thanks. Okay. I think we're gonna need a reboot, but Dolphin is here. Not authorized to do this operation. Okay, maybe I'm gonna have to restart. Hilt, thank you very much for becoming a member of La Crème de la Crème Club, dude, on Twitch. Much appreciated, dude. Thank you very much for the support. Thanks a lot. Need a reboot, no? Yeah, I think like I need a reboot. Okay, let's reboot and see what happens, chat. Your voice remind me of Frenchie from The Boys TV series. Never heard about this series, dude. But yes, I'm French, so it kind of makes sense. So we are running Grub. So there is things that I'm not really happy about, chat. I won't lie to you. Yeah. I might have to reinstall it. Gonna be like, Air Max, what are you doing? Well, I'm not happy about stuff. Okay, this is really odd. Oh, okay, that's why. Like, why is it doing this? I didn't get it, child. Now I get it. Okay. Okay, so if I do that again... Yes! We did it. Fart on Bluefin Linux, it's pretty good. That could be a good contender for this PC. That would be a really good contender for this PC, dude. So fast fetch, pipewire. Let's go fast fetch. I think I just need fast fetch right now. So this is just my config, chat. Okay, nothing crazy. Okay, so now we're gonna do sudo apt install kitty fast fetch. Yep. Yeah, sure. Ah. Okay, so now I don't have internet anymore. Give me 1 second, chat. I'm gonna check what's going on. Okay. You forgot to edit network interface. But what did I have network before this? Right? That's my question. So I just want no leak there. So as I mentioned, there is... So watch, I'm going to show you. KDE installed Network Manager. So just for you to see, I have I have only one network controller, Ethernet controller, okay? And it's this one here. But somehow, like, it shows two of them. I have only one port. So it shows one here, and it shows another one here. Gigabyte Ethernet controller, Gigabyte Ethernet controller. I don't know why. I think if it is up down that controls the internet, remove the last two lines in interface to make it network manager take control. Do I want the network manager? So it is installed, you're right. Hello Skullfragged. So this is not my subdomain, so it's just hallucinating here. There is nothing here. So the way I see it here, let's see if I do this. I don't know, man. Oh, no, not like that. Not like a newbie. Just reboot? Why would I reboot? Michael, why would I reboot? Don't need to reboot, brother. Oh no, we don't need to reboot, brother. Okay, we have two interfaces. Just need to deal with it, dude. That's all. Haha! Do you have Wi-Fi? Yeah, I have Wi-Fi, but I'm not connecting to Wi-Fi. Okay, I just want you to know, like. So why not use Network Manager? So why would I do that? I'm not used to use Network Manager, brother. So this is you probably use it on CachyOS. Yes. But I want you to do it, you know, like the way I do it on Debian normally. Right? Yeah, like on server. Like I want you to do it exactly like I did here. But I guess because he forced like the installation of Network Manager, Now I have to use it. So what would be the cleanest way to do that? I just declare my interface for them to appear in the network manager correctly. Because now we have the problem related to the fact that I have like two interfaces and one is real and the other is like a dream somewhere. Right? Yeah, you know what I mean? Just ignore the fake one. Okay. All right. I removed everything. We're gonna try again. That's not. Listen, dude. That's not a great start, huh, chat? More like to you, like. I feel more problems than something else. One is maybe for SIM card. No. Taraka, open. Open for you. Oh, he has nothing to be Debian, dude. I use Debian mainly on server, right? So my knowledge of Debian on desktop sucks. Okay, chat? It's not Debian. Don't blame the distro, blame yourself, chat. Always. Right? If you select KDE in installer, it does it for you. Yeah. So it's my fault. So now the network manager should be handling it. I installed Kitty. So I didn't install the right Kitty. Oh, I didn't install it. Correct. So. You're right. True, chat. True. I'm really not there, dude. Yes! Oh la la, we are here, boys! We did it! Alright. So let me check something. 1 second, chat. Oh, Bobby! You're fired, Bobby! Okay, so this is working, dude. Awesome. Okay, chat. So, what I was scared about? Hey, see you, Joe. What I was scared about in this situation was the fact that listen to me, chat. What I was scared about is like all my configuration would be like broken, and especially the little like function on the ThinkPad. Okay, there is little button on the ThinkPad, right? And those work. So I can change the intensity. I can change. Like those button works, which is just awesome. Okay, chat. It just works. So now. Like this is insane, dude. Okay. So Firefox ESR, no. I don't want that. I want the normal Firefox. So how do we get this one? Okay, so I guess we're gonna do two things on this machine. We're gonna do two things. First, I want to play with the source. So sudo apt install ext repo. Okay, that's what I want to do. Yes. Okay, that's the first thing I want to do. And so ext repo, I think it's search Firefox Mozilla. So you do sudo ext repo install Mozilla, my bad. Mozilla. Enabled. Enable. Brave is the best. No. I like. Listen, dude. Update. Okay. Gerard Loper, what's up? Prem Faya, what's up? How are you doing? Sudo apt remove purge Firefox, thanks. Yep. Okay, sudo apt install Firefox. No. Yes. Airmax, I need some advice. I'm so sick to death of NVIDIA on Linux. It works well for you, but for me, with my 4080, it runs like absolute ass. And I'm back using Windows. I might get a 9070 XT. Yeah, get one if you want. T remove purge conqueror. Don't want this thing, dude. I don't know what it is. Yes. Thanks. Okay. Application. What application do we have? And we don't need. Discover. No thanks. So can I remove... apt no. dpkg list grep discover. So this is really what I like to do, okay? You're not supposed to do that. What happens if I remove it? Remove purge plasma discover. Can I do that? So what is he going to remove? KDE config update, what is this?
Ooh là là, la crème de la crème club. A new croissant is the best club on internet.
What do you think, chat? Cyber Turkey, you are now a proud member of La Crème de la Crème Club, papa. Thank you very much for your support. Thanks a lot, buddy. Thank you very much, Jude, for your support. Guys, you have no idea how much it helps. So don't forget to support the channel. I know I seem like a guy like at the, you know, at the red light asking for a buck. But, you know, like when I read that this I can reinstall, no problem. But this, where is it? This one is kind of scaring me. So apt show. This package contains a configuration module for configuring an unintended update for Fleet Administrator without the need to use System Updater manually. Ok, allez hop. Discover is needed to update some system packages. Man. Mm-hmm. Thank you very much, Cyber Turkey. I really appreciate it, dude. Yeah, I don't want this thing. Okay, it's my choice. It's my PC. I don't want this. The rest I want to keep, but all right. Nice. Nice. So now on paper we have a nice Firefox. We have Dolphin enjoying like life here. Okay. PC is up and running, which is awesome. What else would I like to do to set that up? I'm gonna check if there is other application I want to get rid of. So Kate is here, good. Or this we're gonna keep. Man, Zuti. No, dude. Yeah. Am I going to do that? Yes. Okay. Flatpak, FlatHub. No, I won't use Flatpak and FlatHub, I think, on this machine. Because this usage of a machine is literally so small that I don't need this. Right? I need a browser. I need Kitty, and that's all. Like, I literally need anything else with. That's why I was thinking maybe I should go with KDE Plasma, like even the other one. But the issue I have, okay, is like my installation doesn't have encrypted disk. So this, I'm not really happy about it. Yeah, I'm not happy about that, chat. I think it's like that. So I guess I need the net install, but the one with the command line, because there I think it's not good, chat. I want my main drive to be fully encrypted, chat. Man, I missed it. I missed it, chat. I made a big mistake. Oh, chat! Why am I such a noob? Oh man, I'm so nooby today, dude. Today, I'm such a noob. I think, guys, I'm really sorry, but I think it was the worst. I think it was the worst stream ever, chat. I apologize for that. I think today we reach a new level. Today we reach a level where we reach a really bad level, dude. Not the worst? What? There is worst? Oh no, no, don't say it. We reached it. The level of no return, chat. Salut Varisk. Oh my gosh. So reinstall in less than 30-minute challenge. I don't even know what to say, brother. Yeah, I think I'm gonna have to restart it. I'm gonna have to redo it anyways. Like, what am I doing, chat? Like, what am I doing, dude? This is really bad. So we don't have HTTPS on Debian? I don't remember. We're gonna go stable. Main. Contrib. Non-free. Okay, as this is how I want to do it, chat. So here I'm choosing the right option for my repo. Okay, the one I want. I don't even know if I can do that, but normally it should be fine. Should be fine. We're gonna try. Okay, chat. Okay. And here. Sure. So my guess is like we're gonna have more work at the beginning, but on the long run, this PC should have less updates, should be in between comma, like more stable for everything else. That's gonna be like the full like plan here. Okay, Debian E386 command. Okay, it's this one. Always forget it, chat. Gonna add them just in case. And voila. Okay, so I have the good repo, got the good architecture, remove the fluffy stuff that I didn't really want on my PC. So as you can see, like it's not bad, dude. Could be more minimalistic for sure, but we good. Okay, this thing is working. Cool! So why did you change from Trixie to stable? So I do that because let's say I want to keep this thing for like 4 or 5 years. I think this is the end goal, right? I don't want to have, when I do an upgrade, when there is a big upgrade, right? Version, more than a version, like when you go from Trixie to 4-key, I don't want to have to deal with it, dude. So I just put it on stable, and when it's time, it's time. I want this thing to be like, I don't want to think about it at all. So that will be my approach here. Right? So this thing on paper, we won't have to touch it for like a decade. There we go. Voilà. Right, this is the idea, right? So you're on this channel stable. What you do normally, like if you're on Trixie, there is Forky which is out. You wait for the release, you change Trixie to Forky, you make the upgrade. Here with stable, they are gonna do the switch in the background and you have nothing to do. One day you just upgrade and zoop, you're good to go, dude. So that's what I do also on my VPS and stuff. Let's say I rent a VPS, I want to keep it. That's the thing I do normally. I don't think we have a firewall, no? Let's see if we need to configure firewall. Plasma firewall? Whoa, what is this? Okay, let's see. Firewall. So wait, I want to see if it's gonna spit some stuff I don't want it to spit. Ah, okay. So it's saying it here. Install a firewall such as UFW or firewall G. So we're gonna go with UFW, like you need that. So you are technically on a rolling release now, albeit a really, really slow one. Yes. Best of both worlds, brother. Man, I didn't even have IP table on. Okay. I like it. I like it, chat. I like it. So listen, here is what we're gonna do, dude. Today I think it's gonna be a short stream. Because I want this PC to run to be encrypted, right? And I totally forget it. It was a big mistake on my end. Right? So wait, no Cyberpunk 2077 ray tracing Ultra Bench? No, not on this machine, dude. Did you see Linus Tech Chips is going to do a PC build video with Linux? Yeah, I know about that. This is awesome, dude. I'm really looking forward to this one. Sasho8, thank you very much for becoming a proud member of La Crème de la Crème Club on Twitch. Let's go, Papa! Thank you very much, dude. You should do some gaming live stream. So when I do gaming live stream, I don't have a lot of like support or like I feel like you guys are not really like fan of it. So I'm not doing those. I keep it techie, you know? So yeah, I would like to install Limin too. I never installed Limin on Debian. Maybe you can't. I'm just looking at it right here. I'm like, oh. I don't think you want to play with that if there is not a packaging like from Debian itself. Darn. Yeah, Limin is pretty fun. Can we see a custom Hyperland racing git? No, you will never see that on my channel, bro. I did 3 weeks of Hyperland racing and stuff, and it was a bad end. Hyperland is not for me. As the state it is right now, it's not for me. It's great, but it's not for me. So I won't be doing that. Now, if you want me to do one for you, I send you my PayPal, and I do one for you. I spend like 2 weeks on it. But I'm not doing one for the channel, dude. There is way more, like I would say, way more like dedicated and better people at that than me. Man, so they had a demand. When was that? Man, in 2023, dude. Yeah. No, it's not going to happen. Oh, it's fine. We'll survive, dude. I don't really care. I was just making, like, you know, I was like, oh, maybe they have some fancy stuff like that. But no. So, one more stuff I'm going to check. Debian system boot. So can we have that? Yeah. So you could do that too. Oh, he did that for having the support. Okay, interesting, chat. Support of secure boot. Pretty interesting, dude. Salut, Gabor. So it's not hard. Okay, it's not hard to install systemd boot on Debian, like. Yeah, you see. Because I was thinking if I install it, this is what I wanted to do today. But I totally missed it, chat. I totally missed it. Like the whole purpose of the stream, I missed it. So, okay, maybe we're gonna do another one. Maybe we won't, chat. Because I need this laptop to work too. So, yep. I don't feel like restarting everything, chat. So I'm sorry. I apologize for that, chat. I think it's gonna be the end of the stream. Because I won't have the time. I won't have the time to redo a full install. I have to cut the stream earlier today. And I need to make the video on Omari right after and do other stuff. So I just don't have time, chat. But I would say, okay, let me explain. So, is it mounted here? Okay. So, if I go there, and then go perso, I'm gonna do mkdir, Debian, Thinkpad. Okay. And here, so I will say nano farts.txt. Okay. So some part, chat. Some part. So first things first. What I want to do, so it's Debian, okay? I want to install. So I want to minimal install encrypted SGG, right? So which means lux grub, I guess, or system dboot. Okay, I will be the first one. Second is like control over. No, I was right. D, okay. So KDE minimal. Okay. Now control over source, so repo. So control source over repo will be this. Okay. Now that I keep it. Yeah, sure. So actually, wait. If I do that, does it work with... Yeah, it does work. So why? So wait. Another stuff here. Why it doesn't use the HTTPS, chat? Should be fine, no, with HTTPS? Let's see how we react. Yeah, it does work with HTTPS. Like, what the heck, broski? Okay, so here we remove that. Well, you get the idea, right, chat? And I would say plus X repo for specific app. This is how I will do it, chat. Like, this is how I will do it. When will you test GNOME 49? On Friday, maybe. I think Friday is gonna be when I test it. Just waiting for it to arrive on the repo of Arch. Right? To see the perf. Okay. So then I will be here, I would say no discover. Like no fluff, right? Like we don't want fluff. Okay. Yeah, that's all. Salut Quadfeed. No problem, dude. No problem at all. So we're gonna call it RDebian, chat. RDebian. But yeah, this is how I would use it. Simple, straight to the point. But yeah, like I missed the opportunity to do something clean. Oh well, we'll do better next time, chat. Let's word it this way. I have a hard block right now, so I'm gonna have to stop. Sorry for the shortness of this stream, chat. So on Friday, we should be able to check GNOME 49. Okay? So I said the whole repository is signed, so HTTPS is not required. Oh, got it. Okay. Got it. I'm gonna keep it still. Next video is gonna be about Omari chat. Full review, in-depth review. So Friday we do GNOME 49. And yeah, that will be it. That will be it for today. Sorry if it's so slow, so short. Normally we do more, but yeah. I made a mistake. It's not really how I wanted it to be. And I think what's really distracts me, it is freaking mouse and the fact that I had to redo the whole setup of the stream for you to be able to watch like my Thinkpad like screen out there. So yeah, I apologize for that, chat. Okay. So Cyber Turkey, you were asking me, so before we close, because I was thinking at the same time, you're asking me like, should I get a 9070 XT if I own a 4080? I would say, if you can be patient enough to wait until the release of the driver, which are going to fix the DirectX 12 issue, which I believe is going to be before the end of the year, I will keep it this way, chat. I will keep it this way, Cyber Turkey. Until buying a 9070 XT. Just my 2 cents. Because situation on Nvidia is not great, but it's not also like that bad. So, yeah. Andrea, tu viens d'où dans France? Marseille. It's all good. Thanks for the stream. Thank you, dude. You are right, to be honest, because I need over hardware upgrade first. Like 4080 is fine. I know it can be like problematic sometimes, but it's not that problematic at the end of the day. Just my 2 cents, dude. And if it's that problematic, just dual boot, you know, for the game you want to play, and you'll be fine. Windows 11 IoT for the win. LTSC IoT, dude. I'm gonna let those words here. But that's it, that's all, chat. Thank you very much for watching. I don't know when we're gonna do another like laptop stream, because I want to be honest, it was kind of a pain, and yeah, not sure if it's worth it. Guys, thank you very much for watching. As always, if you want to support the channel, Patreon, YouTube membership, also Jeff Bezos on Twitch with a Prime sub, always help. I am out. Have a great rest of your day and see you on Friday, okay? Live. Bisous, bisous, chat.